Welcome, young writers, to the Dragon vs. City. In this adventure, a dragon threatens your city, and you must decide whether to escape, defend, or attack. First, let's create your city. What's its name? Describe its landscape, architecture, and climate. What makes your city special and valuable? Are there any problems or issues, crime or inequality? Who's in charge? And who will you need to persuade to act against the dragon? Now, imagine a dragon. Describe its size, appearance, and abilities. Where is the threat coming from? And how did it become so dangerous? Is there an opportunity to benefit from the dragon, like gold or magical powers? If you choose to escape, where would you go? What would you take with you? And what would be the cost of leaving the city behind? If you choose to defend, what's worth protecting in the city? Sometimes we can't protect everything. How do you decide? How can you strengthen the walls? And what's the cost of focusing on defense? If you choose to attack, what's your strategy? What are the chances of success? And is the reward worth the risk? As you write your story, create your main characters. Describe their personalities, backgrounds, and relationship to the city and the dragon. How do they feel about the threat? And how did they grow and change throughout the story? Remember, there's no right or wrong way to approach this prompt. Use your imagination and let your creativity run wild. Good luck and happy writing!